Hi, this is Dr. Friedlander, and just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the National Reading Panel, which historically was really an important event that occurred back in 1997, and this was a panel that was formed at the request of Congress. It was a national panel with the stated aim of assessing the effectiveness of different approaches used to teach children to read. Prior to this, there were lots of different reading programs, reading techniques, reading methodologies, and this panel really wanted to take a look at what we would call, research-based reading programs. And this panel really kind of spearheaded the movement of really looking at what works when we're teaching reading to children. And they identified 5 different findings, and which I'll put down over here. So there were 5 different findings, and the first one was really important, was phonemic awareness. The second was understanding the students needed to learn phonics skills. The third important idea, the ability to read words and text in a fluent manner. So I'm just going to put fluency. And the fourth finding, the ability to comprehend and apply strategies. So these were really kind of important findings, and the last one was vocabulary. So it became really essential when talking about reading programs that it would include phonemic awareness, phonics skills, fluency, work on comprehension and strategies, and also work on vocabulary. Prior to this, there really wasn't that much emphasis on these skills in the reading programs, and it also reinforced the whole idea of research-based reading programs. After these findings from the National Reading Panel was published, what happened is researchers went out and began to look at the numerous reading programs that were promising all kinds of results, and many of the researchers verified whether the reading programs were helpful. So it's important when you look at a reading program to see if it's in fact research-based, but you just wanted you to know that the roots of those findings can be found in the National Reading Panel findings from 1997.